What is this nature and how to connect with this nature? Hey, come and answer to my question. Where are you? So, today what is your doubt? Can we connect with the plants to know their medicinal merits and demerits? Okay, let me sit and answer. Yes. Yes, you can. But before that, you should understand the symptoms, characteristics, and causes of diseases. According to Ayurveda, the causes for all the diseases are imbalances in Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Medicine is given to increase or decrease any one of these three doshas. First, you should be an expert in diagnosing diseases. Then, with this knowledge, if you connect with a plant, you will come to know what type of chemical reaction is happening in you. You can understand whether it increases Vata, Kapha, or Pitta and their intensity and duration. Then you can decide for which disease that herb can be given and how much and how long. All the plants have only merits, but you should use it in the right proportion, in the right time, and to the right person. If you are not using it in the right proportion, in the right time, and to the right person, the merits turn into demerits. Our Panchendriyas will help you to discriminate the taste and smell of the plants and understand the subtler level chemical changes in you. Connect with plants and disconnect from diseases. Thank you very much for connecting me with the nature. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Vishwasri Edla for more upcoming videos. Like and share the videos to your friends and relatives. Thank you very much for connecting.